I was kind of in a place where I didn't know what I wanted to do with my actual degree.
At the time, I wanted to turn this into a private practice for teen girls.
I was like, man, I just spent $20 on a class and I'm still like leaving stressed. I was like talking to my mom and just a couple of my friends, and I was like, hey, I really want to start a dance workshop where we really just have, like, it's on some good vibes.
I'm afraid probably of living life in a mundane pattern, because I remember when I first started my job out of college, I found myself in this routine and I do it every day all over again. And I was like, this is not living.
She literally thought that impossible was nothing for me. If I'm able to succeed and I can use this brand as my ministry, I'll be able to tell her story. Oh, here come, oh my goodness. Woo!